Smart Digital lesson. Miss Thuy is very happy to see you here today. So for our new lesson of DIGI Math Grade 1, we will learn Unit 7, Lesson 2, numbers from 21 to 100. First, let's get to our warm-up activity. Let's warm up to get ready for our lesson. Fill in the blanks with multiples of 10. Did you see the blanks on the screen? I have number 10, number 30, 60, and 100. Now let's fill in the blanks. What comes after 10? Do you know? Yes, 20, right? And then what goes next after 30? Yes, 40. And what's next? That's right, 50, 60, and then 70. Then what? Correct, 80. And then 90 and 100. Very good. Now let's read all the numbers one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done, students! This is Mr. Crocodile. Let's see what is he doing. Can you fill in the blank with these numbers? What is it? Yes, let's see.
Great! What number is that, Alligator? You don't know how to read it? I'll show you.
Do you know how to read this number? Let's find out.
Because that number is equal to 20 plus 1, we read it as 21.
Let's read with me. 21. 21. Very good.
Got it?
21.
Then, what number is next?
22.
Well done. And this number?
26.
Good job. Do you know what number comes right up?
Can you tell me what number goes here? Yes.
The 29.
This one.
That's right. And that number is
2010.
Haha! It's not 2010. 30.
30. That's right.
30.
What number is this?
Can you tell me what number is this? 30. Yes, 33.
33.
Excellent. And this number?
37.
What number is missing, Alligator?
Wow.
That's right. It's 50. How do you read this number?
Can you? Yes.
55.
How about this number?
58.
And that number?
1, 0, 0.
Nice try. It is 100.
100.
67, and 85.
Let's read these numbers together. 67, 85. Great.
Which is less?
Can you tell me which is less? Yes, this one, right?
67 is less than 85.
Let's read. 67 is less than 85. Great.
93 and 72.
What goes here, students? Less than or greater than? Yes, that's right.
Which is greater?
93 is greater than 72.
Let's read one more time. 93 is greater than 72. Good job.
Which number is less than 56?
34 is less than 56.
Which number is greater than 81?
100 is greater than 81.
How many cookies are there on tray 1?
There are 35 cookies.
How many cookies are there on tray 2?
There are 21 cookies.
How many cookies are there altogether on the...
So I have 35 cookies on tray 1 and 21 cookies on tray 2. How many are there in total, altogether? Yes, we use addition. That's right. So 35.
the 2 trays?
35 plus 21 equals 56.
That's right.
There are 56 cookies altogether.
If I give you 24 cookies, how many cookies are left?
If we give Mr. Alligator 24 cookies, so how many are left? Do we use addition? No, we use subtraction. That's right.
56 minus 24 equals 32. There are 32 cookies left.
Great job! Here are your cookies. And here are cookies for you, kids. Enjoy!
Very good, students. So that is all I want you to remember in our lesson today. Now let's practice some more in the vocabulary part. Okay, let's read numbers together.
22,
22. One more time. 22. Great. How about this one?
34,
34.
34,
Great. How about this one?
43, 43,
Great.
57, 57,
Good job.
65,
One more time.
65,
Great.
88, 88,
Well done, students.
72, 72,
Great job.
93, 93,
And last one.
100,
Wonderful. One more time.
100.
Great job, students. Very good. Now let's move on to the next part. Now let's see practice 1.
The number beehive.
Are you ready?
Please listen to the number, then choose the correct answer. 23.
Okay, so we have 2 teams today. We have red team over here and blue team over here. I will call 1 student from each team, come to the board, listen, and tap onto the correct answer. Are we clear? Okay, so for this question, 23 is the correct answer.
Awesome. 23. Now, let's start.
Okay, so Team Red and Team Blue, who wants to play? Can you? And you?
Please listen to the number, then choose the correct answer.
Shh, listen.
25.
Oh, what is it? 25. So can you?
Great.
Awesome.
25.
So, for this round, Team Blue is faster. So 1 point for Team Blue. Okay, next one. Let's listen and choose, okay? Now look at the screen and practice more.
Please listen to the number, then choose the correct answer. 98. 98. Perfect. 98. 91. 91. Great. 91. 67. 67. Great job. 67. 91. 91. Good job. 91. 24. 24. Awesome. 24. 44. 44. Perfect. 44. 45. Great job. 45. 44. 44. Good job. 44.
Now let's practice with practice 2. Octopus numbers.
Let's help Mother Octopus find her babies. What number is it?
What number is it? We have 3 answers here. So, yes, this is 22, right? It's number 22. So you choose.
Perfect. This is 22. Now, let's start.
Okay. Now I will call the fastest to raise their hand. Come to the board and help me choose the correct answer. And then the whole class, please answer the question. Okay?
Let's help Mother Octopus find her babies. What number is it?
So, what number is it? Who can? Can you please?
Great. This is number 44.
Now, the whole class, can you say your answer? It is number... Yes, wonderful. Now, let's look at the screen and answer more questions.
Let's help Mother Octopus find her babies. Please find the correct answer. Great job! 49 is equal to 49. Please find the correct answer. Nice try! Awesome! 67 is equal to 67. What number is it? Sorry! Perfect! This is number 56. Please find the correct letter. Try again. Great! 89. What number is it? Good job! This is number 89. Congratulations! You did a good job.